And now this is the bonus part, kitty genes. And one function logic is now complete. And if you want to make the kitties have unique features, and we can add some special kitty code in the zombies DNA to show that they are cooked zombies. So we can say that the cat zombies have 99 as their last 2 digits of DNA, and because he said the reason is because the cat has 9 knives. So in our code, if the zombies come from the cat, then we have to set the last 2 digits to be 99. And it also mentioned in estimate we just use the first 12 of our 16 digits to determine the zombie appearance. So we also want to use this 99 to handle the special characteristic. So if you remember, we already have learned about these to compare the values. For example, in this part, it just want to compare whether the sandwich variable is equal to BLT. Now we are going to put to test, and first we have to change the function definitions for fit multiply, and it takes the third argument named species, and we will store it in the memory. So now we have to modify this function and add the string memory and name the species. And the second part is calculate the new DNA and add if the statement comparing the catchat 256 of the species and the string kitty. We can't directly pass the catchat 256. Instead, we have to use these app.encode pad, so we can copy this and paste to here. And now we are not going to check the sandwich, we are going to check the species. And the next thing is check whether this is kitty. If yes, we are going to copy this. We are going to modify the DNA by using this. So if you want to know why, we can go to inspect and do some calculations. So in this example, it said, for example, it has the new DNA is 334455. If we want to replace this with 99, we can first go to modulus 100 and we get 55. So the next thing is we use 334455 minus 55. Now we can ensure the last 2 digits is 00. So last part is we have to add this at the 99 to ensure the last 2 digit is 99. So this is why we have to use this formula. So lastly, we need to change the function, the fit and multiply, and add the values at the parameter kitty. So now we can pass to here, and at last it will compare that it is kitty, and it will change to the DNA that has the last 2 digits is 99. So we check the answer, and it is wrong because we copy the full stop here. So we delete this one and try again. So we can go to the next chapter.